Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 71. In this video I will be explaining textbook questions. NCERT textbook question. Question is, the threshold frequency μ0 for a metal is 7.0 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of frequency. The threshold frequency given, and then metal frequency also given, and threshold we indicate by μ0 and radiation of the frequency indicate by nu, and calculate the kinetic energy, that is means E. Okay, so whenever kinetic energy comes, so formula according to the Einstein. So Einstein according formula is Ke is equal to half mv square, and here threshold frequency given, so we have to write this formula is equal to h nu minus nu 0. Half mv square is equal to kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus nu 0. H Planck constant value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Nu frequency given and nu 0 also threshold frequency given. Put the value and then calculate. Okay, so this value came. Next textbook question is, calculate the wave number for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series of the atomic hydrogen. Calculate the wave number, that is mean nu bar, for the longest wavelength transition in the Balmer series. So for Balmer series, N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3. I already explained that topic. Okay, so Balmer series N1 is equal to 2. So formula is wave number for the transition series. Nu bar is equal to RH in bracket 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. RH is equal to Rydberg constant, and Rydberg constant value is 109677. This is the Rydberg constant value. 1 upon N1 square. N1 for Balmer series 2, so 2 square minus N2 for Balmer series 3 square. So calculate, so this value come 1.523 into 10 to the power 6 meter inverse. Next textbook question, calculate the wavelength for the emission transition if it starts from the orbit having radius this one and this one. So name the series to which this transition belongs and the region of the spectrum. So first we have to calculate wavelength. Okay, then wave number. So first is find the radius wave. So radius of the nth orbit, H like species, formula is radius for wave Rn is equal to 52.9 n square upon z. So R1 radius given 1.3225 nanometer. So put the value here. R1 is equal to 1.3225 nanometer. We convert into the picometer. So 1322.5 picometer is equal to 52.9. And here first radius, so n1 square upon z. Same for R2 radius, R2 to 11.6 picometer and is equal to 52.9 n2 square upon z. R1 divide R2, so R1 this value, R2 this one, n1 square upon n2 square, z to z cancel, 52.9 to 52.9 cancel. So n1 square upon n2 square divide, so 6.25 and square going to the right hand side, so 2.5. Okay, and if, because here given name the series to which this transition belong, okay, and the region of the spectrum. So here n1 is equal to 5 and n2 is equal to 2. Then the transition is from 5th orbit to 2nd orbit. So it belongs to Balmer series. So nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda. Okay, and 1 upon lambda, so nu bar is equal to Rydberg constant 1.09667 into 10 to the power 7, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. So 2.5. So fifth orbit to the second orbit. So n1 is equal to 2 and fifth orbit 5 square. Okay. So calculate. So this value come lambda going to the right side because this is value 1 upon lambda, this one. So lambda and then this value divide by 1. So lambda is equal to 0.434 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and then decimal value going to the right hand side. So 434 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, 434 nanometer, because my 1 meter is equal to 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, so 434 nanometer, and this region in the visible region. Clear? So here 2.5 comes fifth orbit and second orbit. So Balmer series, and then lambda is equal to 434 nanometer. That is means it belongs to visible region. Next NCERT textbook question. Arrange the following type of radiation in increasing order of the frequency. Arrange the following type of the radiation in increasing order of the frequency. First is radiation from microwave oven. Second is amber light from traffic signal. Third is radiation from FM radio. Fourth is cosmic ray, and fifth is X-ray. So you already known about highest is cosmic ray, then X-ray, then amber light, and then microwave. Okay, so we arrange the in order way. So first is FM radio, less than microwave, microwave less than amber light, and amber light less than X-ray, and then less than cosmic ray. So cosmic ray highest order of the increasing order of the frequency. Next question is, how does the intensity of the spectral line vary with wavelength? So intensity directly proportional the spectral line intensity. So wavelength decrease, so intensity also decrease. Next question is, what is the maximum number of the emission line when the excited electron of a hydrogen atom? What is the maximum number of the emission lines when the excited electron of a hydrogen atom? So n is equal to 6 drops to the ground state. So number of the lines produced when the electrons from the nth shell drops to the ground state. So formula is n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so n is equal to 6 because 6th drop to the ground state. So 6 minus 1 upon 2. So 6 minus 1, 5. So 6 into 5 upon 2. So 15. Next question is, find the energy of each light. Find the energy of each of the photons which correspond to light of frequency 3 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Okay, so first we have to find frequency energy. So energy related from the frequency E is equal to h nu. H Planck constant value we have to put, and nu frequency already given 3 into 10 to the power 15. So both multiply, so this value comes 19.878 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Then have wavelength of the 0.50 angstrom, and energy related to the wavelength E is equal to h nu, and nu is equal to c upon lambda, because here given wavelength, so we have to put the c upon lambda. H and lambda value also given 0.50 angstrom, convert into the meter, so 10 to the power minus 10. So put the value, Planck constant value, c is speed of the light 3 into 10 to the power 8, and lambda value this one. So calculate this value come. Then next question is, calculate energy of 1 mole of the photon of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Calculate energy of 1 mole of the photons of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So 1 photon energy formula is E is equal to h nu, h Planck constant value and nu frequency given. So both multiply. Okay, so h nu. So h 6 Planck constant and then nu frequency. So multiply. So this is the energy of 1 photon. But here given energy of the 1 mole. 1 mole of photon. So multiply by Avogadro number. So this energy of the photon multiply by Avogadro number. So this value comes 199.51 kilojoule per mole. Next question is, a 100 watt bulb emits monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometer. Calculate the number of the photons emitted per second by the bulb. A 100 watt bulb emits monochromatic light of the wavelength 400 nanometer and number of the photons we have to calculate. So first power of the bulb given 100 watt and convert into the joule, 100 joule second inverse. Nanometer wavelength given lambda and calculate the number of the photons. So E is equal to h nu, nu is equal to C upon lambda, h Planck constant value. So 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule and the speed of the light 3 into 10 to the power 8 and then lambda wavelength 400 nanometer, convert into the meter into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So convert into the joule 4.969 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. But here calculate the number of the photons. So photon is the power and divide by the energy. Power divide by energy. Power 100 watt, so 100 joule second inverse divide energy of the photon. Okay, so this is the value come. Next NCERT question. Yellow light emitted from a sodium lamp has a wavelength lambda of 580 nanometer. Calculate the frequency nu and wave number nu bar of the yellow light. So yellow light emitted from a sodium lamp has a wavelength lambda of 580 nanometer. So calculate the frequency nu and wave number nu bar of the yellow light. So frequency formula is nu is equal to C upon lambda. So C here speed of the light 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. Lambda here given 580 nanometer. Okay, convert into the meter into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, so put the value and then calculate. So 5.17 into 10 to the power 14 second inverse. Then wave number also find. Wave number nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda and lambda always put here in centimeter. So 580 into 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter. So value comes 1.724 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter inverse. Next question is, the Vivid Bharati station of All India Radio, Delhi, broadcast on a frequency of 1368 kilohertz. Calculate the wavelength that is means lambda of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by transmitter. Which part of the electromagnetic spectrum does it belong to? Okay, so Vivid Bharati station, here frequency given nu. So formula nu is equal to C upon lambda. Okay, so C speed of the light and V nu frequency given. So lambda formula is equal to C upon nu. C value speed of the light and frequency given 1368 kilohertz and kilohertz converted into the hertz. So multiply 10 is 1000. So divide. So this value comes 219.3 meter. So this is the value of the which reason? Radio wave electromagnetic spectrum. Okay. Next NCERT question. What is the number of the photon of the light within wavelength of 4000 nanometer, and that provide 1 joule of the energy. So number of the photons is calculated by dividing total energy by the energy of the one photon. So first we have to calculate energy of the one photon by applying formula E is equal to hc upon lambda. Okay, so calculate the number of the photon by using formula capital N is equal to total energy upon energy of one photon. Okay, and lambda here given 4000 picometer, so convert into the meter into 10 to the power minus 12 picometer. Okay, so and 1 joule of the energy. So energy of the one photon E is equal to hc upon lambda, h Planck constant value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. C is speed of the light 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. Lambda 4000 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So calculate, so value come 4.9695 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. Okay, then number of the photons, N is equal to total energy 1 joule, divide of the energy of the one photon, this one 4.9695 into 10 to the power minus 17 joule. So calculate 1 divide this value, so 2.0122 into 10 to the power 16 photons. Next question is, a 25 watt bulb emits monochromatic yellow light of the wavelength 0.57 micrometer. A 25 watt bulb emits monochromatic yellow light of wavelength 0.57 micrometer. Calculate the rate of the emission of the quanta per second. Calculate the rate of the emission of the quanta per second. So first we 25 watt bulb given, so convert into the joule second inverse, so 25 joule second inverse. Okay, so number of the photons emitted same here given, number of the photons is equal to power divided by energy. So power here 25 joule second inverse. Okay, and E energy, but energy first we have to find by wavelength. Energy find E is equal to h c upon lambda, h Planck constant value, c speed of the light, and lambda here given 0.57 micrometer. Okay, so put the value and then find energy, and then here put the energy value, divide by power, so power divide energy, so number of the photons comes. Okay, same as it is 100 watt bulb, that is same process, energy of the first find, and then after number of the photons, power upon divide by energy. Okay, so this question is your homework. Next question is, electromagnetic radiation of wavelength 242 nanometer is just sufficient to ionize the sodium atom, and calculate the ionization energy of the sodium in kilojoule per mole. So electromagnetic radiation of wavelength lambda given 242 nanometer, convert into the meter, 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So lambda is equal to 242 nanometer, and then convert into the meter, then energy h nu, hc upon lambda, h Planck constant value, c speed of the light, and lambda 242 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Calculate, so energy come here given this wavelength just sufficient to ionize the sodium atom, so this energy also sufficient. So ionization energy of the sodium E is equal to, ionization energy E is equal to Avogadro number multiply energy 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into energy, so this value come and convert into the kilojoule, divide by 1000, so 4.945 into 10 to the power 2 kilojoule per mole. Okay, clear? So same procedure, only for 3 formula you learn: energy, Energy formula you learn, frequency nu is equal to c upon lambda, wave number nu bar is equal to 1 upon lambda. Okay, three formula you learn, and number of the photons, power upon energy. Okay, next question I will be explain in the next video. Thank you so much.